Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Chiliz. The Chiliz, in this video I will show you the Chiliz price. The Chiliz price change occur in the last 1 day, in the last 2 days, in the last 1 week. In this video I will show you friends, and I'm already talking about the very urgent update of Chiliz, so please keep watch this video till the end friends. And if you are new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and update friends. Anyways, if we talk about the this time price of the Chiliz, so as you can see here, the currently this time price of Chiliz is 0.47234 USD dollar is the currently this time price of Chiliz. And friends, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Chiliz, so absolutely the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week price change is only negative, except after last 1 day, 1 week, the whole changes occur in the Chiliz and the positive friends. So absolutely it's a good news for all of Chiliz holder that at this time the currently changes occur in the Chiliz as going positive friends. Let's see the price chart for more details what's going at this time in the Chiliz. Let's see my friends. As you can see here friends, a massive jump occurred in the Chiliz in the previous time. As you can see here, this starts jumping from the previous last 1 day. As you can see here, if you look the changes occur in the Chiliz my friends, so approximately a positive 3.17% change occur in the Chiliz. That's good news for all of Chiliz holders. And if you look the high price of Chiliz, so 0.481047 USD dollar is the highest price of the Chiliz in the last 1 day and the 24-hour friends. So friends, remember that in the future of the Chiliz, I know that fast occur in the Chiliz in the future, so please don't do this mistake. I know every cryptocurrency is fast down. That's not mean that Chiliz only take a jump, they can't fast down. Already Chiliz also taken fast down in the future, and that's my prediction that also Chiliz going to fast down with the Chiliz price going down in the next coming soon hours. So please don't do this mistake, and it's time to hold, not to sell. Don't sell Chiliz coin at this time friends. It's time to hold Chiliz token. What's your prediction? Please tell me in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.